Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's How to Start Affiliate Marketing on a Low Budget video, I want to show you how you can start affiliate marketing today for just $5 and how you can build a solid and stable, progressive growing income. So I'm live in my Warrior Plus account and I'm going to go here. First of all, I'm going to show you some proof transactions. I'm going to show you some proof that the system that I'm going to give you works. Warrior Plus is going to give you the products and show you the products that I use as well, and all the tools and all the resources. Everything you need is going to be in this video. So if you look here, I'm still in live in my account. If you look here, you'll see, oh, sorry, we need to go into all time. That's the last 30 days. So we're going to go into all time. And what you'll see here when it loads up is on the right hand side is the commission column. So the commissions I've earned with this system, $10,685. Product sales, 21,316. Now this column over here, this left hand column is really key. I'm going to show you, you'll see I've sold 2,371 products. I'm going to show you how you can promote one link and you can make multiple sales to earn multiple commissions. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you the growth first of all of how this is going to be a growing income. Now it's also passive income. These circular arrows down here on the right hand side, 28 months in a row, these are all monthly recurring commissions coming in, and these gaps are new referrals. So you'll see you constantly referring new members. It's an evergreen niche. It's traffic. Everyone needs it. So you're going to be promoting products that are always in demand. So you're going to be earning monthly recurring cash income. Now let's just have a look and see the growth. So if I go back to the very beginning, to the first year, so that's the beginning of Warrior Plus. Let's not do that. Let's change that to 22. So if we go back to the first of the first, so just bear with me on this. It's important that I show you this because with affiliate marketing, you need to be promoting products that are in demand, but also products that are in an evergreen niche. And then that way you can get into profit with this income stream, and then you can build a portfolio of other income streams. So let's go into the 12th of 22. So let's take you back to the very first year when I first started, which is the 1st of January 2022 to December 2022. So you'll see in that first year, this doesn't happen overnight. This is a growing income stream. First year, $1,957 in commissions and 462 products sold. Let's make a mental note of that. 1957, and then we'll go into last year. You see, Warrior Plus is really good, so you can monitor your progress. Last year, so 1,957. And then last year, which was these are your dates here, it grew to 5,600 in commissions, and I sold in that year 1,227 items. But a lot of these you'll see when it says here, these items over here, 1,287, the monthly recurring income is adding up, and the monthly recurring products are adding up and compounding. So you've got to be a member of each and every one. And this cost me $35 a month. Now, let's go year to date. So let's have a look at this year's projected earnings. So this year so far, year to date, we're on 3,127. Now we're going to do a little bit of mathematics just to show that this is a growing income. So this cost me $35 for the products. I'm going to show you the products shortly which I'm using. You see a few of them on the screen when I'm going through the Warrior Plus account. So for the year, that costs me $420 for the year. Now you'll see that last year was 5,000. I use free traffic. I use YouTube videos, safe list mailers, traffic exchanges, banner ads, text ads, just free traffic. So that number's important there, 420 for the year. Now, if we go to the calculator and we do 3127, so if we go to the calculator, we can look at this year's projected earnings. So far, I've got 3,127. And then we're going to divide that by 19 weeks of this year so far. And that's averaging $164 a week. We times that by 52 weeks for the year. And the projected earnings for this year is going to be $8,558. So we go back onto our page here. And we put in there 8,000, so 8.5k. 8.5k. Now the key thing here is 8.5k. The key thing here with affiliate marketing is getting into profit. So when you take away from 8.5k, when you take away my yearly payments, we've got profit of $8,000. Now, once you get into profit with a system, once you get into profit with products, there's a lot more to it than this as well. There's a lot more to the system. It's not just commissions, it's traffic, it's building a buyers list. There's a lot more to it than this. But I started with $5 and I built this up over time. Now, the key thing with that is once you get into profit, you can then put that profit into another income stream, promote a different offer. Now, the reason these products work so well is because they are an evergreen traffic niche and everyone needs traffic. Now, they're also buyers traffic products. So the members are getting unlimited buyers traffic. I'm a member of each and every one. I pay my monthly membership. But you also earn profitable passive income because they're a monthly membership subscription. I'm going to show you how you earn multiple income streams promoting one link. And I'm going to show you and give you the system that I use to do this that's proven to work. So there will be an income disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for me. And we've all got an equal opportunity to join these offers and promote them as an affiliate. So let's just go now and look at this here. Multiple income streams, promote one link. So each of these 5 offers that I promote, what happens is the owners, the product owners, I'm going to use an example here of the click generator. So you're going to promote one link. You'll get your affiliate link. When you join the offers, you get auto approved and you get your affiliate link. Now, this is the click generator I'm using as an example, but they're all very similar. Now, when I go into products, what you'll see down here, the owners, John and Frank, who are traffic experts, they've been doing traffic a combined 20 years between them. They've collaborated. They've put a funnel together. So it includes 5 recurring income products, 18 products in the funnel. So when you promote your link and when your referral goes through these, through the system, if they buy any of these traffic products here, or this membership here, you will earn the commissions in this column here. Now you'll see there's a high ticket one here for $850. There's one here for $600. There's one here for $200. There's one here for $150, and some other low ticket ones. Now, generally what happens in the industry, it's not the case with Warrior Plus, but generally what happens in the industry is that you have to buy the high ticket products. You might be looking at some products to promote that cost $100, $300, $900. Now, to get an affiliate link to promote those, the product owner insists that you buy the product first before they'll give you an affiliate link to promote it. In Warrior Plus, it's generally not the case. You can join for $5, and then if any of your referrals upgrade, I've done other videos on this on my channel and showing you some proof, then you're going to earn any of these commissions here without buying those products yourself. So they're very, very powerful, very, very powerful products to promote. I'm going to give you all my resources. So this is my my done for you funnels. So if you want these funnels, just send me an email. My email address will be in the description. Or if you partner with me through the links in the description, then just send me an email and I'll send these over to you. Now, I'm going to give you the complete funnel that I personally use. So this is the lead capture page I use for the Click Engine. Now, I do all the videos on here. You don't have to do any videos. I personally do selling and telling and proof. Your prospect will put their email into there. They'll then get taken to a welcome page where, again, I do selling and telling and proof. And all you do is clone these pages and put your affiliate links into here. And you learn the commissions. Now, it's simple to clone these pages. It's beginner friendly. I've done it so beginners can do it as well. All you do is copy and paste these codes on the page and put them into Leads Leap. So you join Leads Leap there. And I've even done video tutorials step by step that will talk you and show you exactly how simple and easy this is to do. So it doesn't matter what level you're at with affiliate marketing. If you're brand new, my tutorials will help you. And then I'm even going to show you how to earn an additional income stream with Leads Leap. You'll see here that you can earn monthly recurring commissions with Leads Leap. My total income in this row here is now $1,239, and this is through my referrals upgrading to Pro and then earning monthly recurring commissions there. So I'm showing you an additional income stream there outside of your Warrior Plus account. I even do all the emails for you. So this is not ChatGTP or AI. I've personally handwritten 7 emails for you. And all you do is put your affiliate links into there. Really, really simple. And that's going to automate and boost your commissions. This is the video to watch on the system. This is the system I've created. It's 4 simple steps. I'm going to pin the page with this video on to the first comment below the video you're watching now. Now, it's called How to Get Your Buyer Traffic for Free, but it's a lot more than that. It's how to get your offer in front of thousands of buyers every single month. How to get your offer in front of thousands of new buyers on a daily basis. And there's a lot more to it than that. Now, these are the 5 offers. I've done a funnel for each and every one of these. You can get started with the Click Engine for $5, Click Generators $5. The other 3, Click Traffic Cyclones $5. These 2 are $10, but you can get started for $5 today. Just click on those buttons there. And if you want more information on the other ones, just click on the buttons and they'll open in a new tab. So I am running short of time. I've only got 30 seconds left. So thanks very much for watching the video today. Please give me a like. That'll help support the channel. Please click subscribe and the bell icon if you want to see some more videos from me. If you've got any questions, put those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. My email address will be in the description. And if you want to contact me on there, or if you want some mentoring one-to-one, that's the email address to get me on. Thanks a lot for watching. I look forward to